Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung is making the most anticipated flagships of its timeline, and they will get top-notch upgrades and changes. According to the latest available data, the new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 smartphones will receive new cameras, a special processor, and a next-generation AI system. Let's dive into the fresh updates and launching details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung held its Q3 2025 financial results event, where Daniel Araujo, Vice President of Samsung's Mobile Experience Division, revealed new details about the upcoming Galaxy S26 series of smartphones. Daniel Araujo said, "The Galaxy S26 series will revolutionize the user experience, with next-generation user-centric AI, a second-generation dedicated processor with faster performance, and new camera sensors." Android Authority believes that a top Samsung executive confirmed that the Galaxy S26 series lineup will use the Exynos 2600 processor, at least in some regions. The new Exynos 2600 is reportedly the first 2nm chip manufactured by Samsung. Previously, insiders reported that Samsung would use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip for the Galaxy S26 series. This means that the company will, as before, differentiate the supply of smartphones with different chips by region. According to sources, the Samsung Exynos processor will only be used in the base model of the Galaxy S26, while the rest of the models in the new series will receive a chip manufactured by Qualcomm. It's possible that Daniel Araujo was referring to the Snapdragon for Galaxy processor when he spoke of a specialized chip for the Galaxy S26. When asked by reporters about this, Araujo stated that the Galaxy S26 chipset is still being evaluated, so the company cannot yet confirm which chip will be used in next year's flagship smartphone lineup. Samsung stated that it will focus on AI-powered smartphones going forward, including the upcoming Galaxy S26 series and new foldable models. In 2026, the company will focus on AI developments and innovative form factors. The company also expects rising prices for key components, such as memory, which could impact smartphone prices. They will also feature powerful 200-megapixel cameras and 16 GB of RAM, with up to 1 TB of storage. The battery capacity of the Galaxy S26 Ultra will remain the same. Exact specifications will be revealed closer to the launch. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series is expected to launch in January 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.